So guys, what I am doing today, I am sorting out the old black Skyliner here finally. I'm going to be setting up the engine bay, but also going to be finally got ARP head studs and a AAA head gasket for it. So I've just got a Cometic AAA head gasket here. I'll be slapping that on the engine. We should be ready to go. Just some ARP, some head bolts and studs, that should be all good. And also a AAA head gasket, so I'm about to put the head gasket on. Got this all cleaned up. Let's get another clean up again, just to make sure. And I'll put that on and then we'll start putting the, it's got the head on, I'll start putting the studs in. Put a bit of assembly lube on them, which they actually give us some assembly lube. And start talking it all down. But after that, we'll be finally getting onto the paint here, because it's been left for quite a bit. Make that look all pretty. Head gasket is on here. It's looking bloody good. It's all ready to go. Fits absolutely perfectly. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be grabbing this head, smacking that on, and start putting these studs on. Should be okay. Okay, so the head's just about to go on this baby. Give her a decent clean up. I haven't taken it to the machine shop, but it should be absolutely fine with this triple layer putting it on. Just new head gasket, there was nothing wrong with the head, so new head gasket and head studs, and see how this goes. Just got the head on, it was a bit of a mission. Unfortunately, it didn't record for some random reason, but just got the head on, bit of a mission by myself, but got that on and got it seated properly. And just dropped the ARP head studs down. I'm just going to go along and do them up with the just the socket and the wrench handle, and just hand tighten them, make sure everything goes down and everything is kind of seated properly. And then I'm just going to, well, I'm probably going to start sanding on the engine bay once that's all done. ARP head studs, it just tells you to put them in hand tight studs. And I lubricated the bottom thread and the top thread. I don't know if I meant to lubricate the bottom thread, but I did that as well, just to make sure there is something on it. And lubricated with the ARP assembly lube, the studs, top of the studs, the washers, and also the, you can see some lubricant there on the bolts as well. And I'm just hand tightening them down now, and I'll just hand tighten them and then make sure I get the sequence right before I do anything or start talking anything. But just put them down hand tight and just double check everything so I don't make any mistakes. But it's starting to take shape, hey, which is going to be good. To a place that's out of view, everything's a memory with string that tied you. And I dream to a place that's out of view. Yeah, already modded that. Short throw now. Got the story.